Okay, just thought I'd do a quick video on how I have this thing packed up for camping. Obviously a lot of room in here. I have my fishing tackle, my flip-flops. This is actually just a bag of random tackling tools that I use. Hook out and some plastic. I have a sponge and a grab-it glove for fish, so I don't get my hands too messy and start touching the steering wheel and stuff. Some sunscreen, knife. Can't go wrong with a koozie. That's where I keep my wallet. This is my Magnum barbecue pit. I've had it for like 15 years. I don't even think I've ever cleaned this thing. It's an amazing guy. So I'll stick him down in there. This is a bag with my towel, a full-size beach towel, some shorts, and my sleeping bag. It's a 55-degree sleeping bag from Marmot, so it packs up pretty small. This is a big knockoff Yeti that I have. Thought it might be a little warm last night, so I brought my DeWalt fan. Probably not necessary, considering it was perfect temperature last night for camping. First aid kit, mess kit, my lighter. This is my table, camping table, battery, camping chair. Oh, here's my Marmot sleeping bag. I must have put my pillow in there, which is a Magellan. And you can't go wrong with a Morganov. And this is my North Face Homestead Roomy 2 tent. It's like a 2.5 person tent. I think it's my favorite tent I've ever had, and I've had a lot of tents. That's about it back here. Obviously my fishing poles and my ice chest with some ice. Typically throw any trash I have in there. I'll usually put this around this ice chest just to hold it from shifting port and starboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching.